We meet sa once in a while sa wala naman, parang ano lang, invisible with each other.
Martian Financial, wala siyang binibigay talaga doon.
Kasi nga may gag order.
Pero kahit
But I can tell you after, pero ano kasi, may gag order and I just don't want to get in trouble. Kasi everything I say about him talaga, medyo nagiging...
So, yung kids, hindi sila parang short-change din sa decision. Parang, bakit ganun, mami?
They know. They know. We've known it 2 or 3 weeks ago. Kaya nga, yun nga, again, it's just surprising na kung kailan merong presko ng Dolce Amore, doon lumabas yung issue about it. Hanggang maaari nga, sabi ko nga, I don't wanna talk about it na, pero kayo kasi. Oo, and it's really hard sometimes.